Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to log out of YouTube application on your phone. It only takes a few taps, so without further delay, let's get straight into it. In the first method, you need to simply open your YouTube application. Over here, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here, tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner, then select the option of switch accounts. Now once you tap on switch account, you will see all of the email addresses that you have in your phone. So you need to select the one which you want to basically remove from your YouTube application. There you will see the option of manage your Google account, so you need to select that. Now once you do this, if you scroll down on that page, you will see the sign out option. So you need to tap on that and you will be log out of the application, but your Google account will stays on your phone. So this was the first method that you can use in order to sign out from your YouTube application. In the second method, you can simply remove your Google account from your phone. For that, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen again. Then tap on the option of Google account that you see over here. From there, you need to select the option of remove account, and this is going to disconnect your account from YouTube only without deleting it from your phone. So if you don't want to use YouTube application, you can also come here in your Google Play Store. Over here, you can simply search for YouTube. Over here, you will see the option of uninstall. So you can tap on the uninstall option and remove the YouTube application from your phone entirely. So if you think that you want to start using it again, you need to simply reinstall it, and then you can sign in with the help of that particular account only which you want to basically use for your YouTube account. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.